we are going to evaluate. Here, we're going to multiply and divide integers. The first one is 6 multiplied by 4. To give you a visual of this, we have 6 tiles right here. Then we're going to stack that tile of 6 4 times. So this is the first tile. Then we're going to stack this a second time, a third time, and now a fourth time. That is the act of multiplying by 4. And we could add those together. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or you can say 6 times 4. That will get you the value of 24. Okay. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 again is 24. Let's do it for the negative number. And the negatives, we tend to use red to indicate that. So we have 5, negative 5 here. This block represents negative 5 value. Then we're going to multiply it by negative 3. So let's just stack that. Okay, 3 times 2, 3. And notice here, it is all the same color that you're stacking it. So here, we would say it is the positive value of 15. Okay, positive value of 15 because it is the same sign. Okay, a negative times a negative is a positive. Let's take a look at C here. We have 14 divided by 2. This negative can be seen as negative 14. So let me draw that visually for you. So here you have a negative 14 block. And the negative 14 block here is going to be divided by 2. The act of dividing by 2 is the same thing as dividing this into 2 pieces. So the 2 pieces that this is going to go into, okay, it was positive, and we're still breaking up a positive. So it becomes 2 parts. The first part here is going to be a, oh wait, it's negative. Let me go back. It should be negative 14. Should be red. Negative 14. And we're going to split that negative 14 into 2 parts. And the 2 parts that you have here are both negatives. The first part is a negative 7, and the second part here is also going to be a negative 7. So negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. The letter D, which is 3 over 9, you can see this as the number 3 and the number 9. You can pull out a 3 from each. So divide all this by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so that would be 1/3. A and B helped us with multiplying, and C and D was when we divided.